Here's a look at this Indian motorcycle tank. Customer shipped it to us from Prosser, Washington. Not sure exactly how it's pronounced, but somewhere eastern Washington. So this one had a tank liner. We did our pre-clean, sent it over to our friends with the burn oven. We had them burn it to incinerate the liner. Then we bring it back and we run it all the way through our process. I'm going to show you the holes we drilled in this. People are always complaining. The hardest part is explaining the holes. You have to hang it somehow, people. And then we need holes at the high spot. We hang it so the air can bubble out. The chemical can completely fill the tank. This customer said he was a sheet metal worker for 30 years, so no problem. Do what you need. And then as it turned out, there's a bunch of pinholes. Patch that I'm pretty sure he didn't know he had on this tank. You can see from the inside, you can see daylight through these holes. I'll try to show you the inside. There you can see some of the inside. See, it's just as clean as the outside is here. Here's an Indian motorcycle tank. He said in the 40s. Really cool old tank. So we put a liner inside. Carry it through the burn oven process. We just got this tank back from the burn oven, so this is what it looks like after going through the burn oven process. The key part is that it incinerates the liner. You can see inside here. Now we will put it all the way through our process to fully clean it.